Take it out, look it over. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hip square at any time you are seated. We have 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. There are signs overhead and lights on the floor that lead to those exits. If an evacuation is needed, please follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, you'll use the life vest that's under your seat, but remove only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on your information card. Place that vest over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist and buckle it in the front. Pull to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull on the red tab to inflate the vest to manually inflate flow into the tube at your shoulder. There is a light on your vest that will illuminate when it touches the water. For the use of a life vest on an infant, please refer to the instructions on your safety information card. Additional life vests will be handed out as needed. We're coming through the cabin to make sure that your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and tray tables are in the full upright lock position. All your carry-on items are stowed completely under that seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving that area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on board, including the lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all your lighted passenger information signs, posted placard, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking, and the federal law mask requirements. Again, as a reminder, any consumption of an alcoholic beverage is prohibited on a Southwest flight. And lastly, if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on that mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove your face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure that mask with the elastic straps. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate, but continue to wear until notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please place your mask on first. We are here for your comfort and safety, so if you do see any unwelcome behavior, please report that to any flight attendant. We thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Again, sit back, relax, enjoy this 2-hour ride into Philadelphia. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines. We're going to be dimming the cabin lighting for departure, so if you do need any additional reading lights, please push the picture of a light bulb that's above your head. Enjoy the flight. Also, make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. We've been cleared for departure.